Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a packing video of the Jujube BFF and how I packed her up for a super duper long flight. It was from the States all the way to Japan, and hopefully this video helps you guys see how much the Jujube BFF can fit, or how or give you ideas of how to pack your bag for just any flight in general. So I hope you guys enjoy. I love the Jujube BFF. The one that I have here to show you guys is the one in the print Black Petals. It's so pretty. I love all of the Jujube floral prints. I'm a sucker for floral. And you guys, the one releasing in April is to die for. I'm super excited about that. So let's get started and pack this guy up. Okay, so let's get started. I always like to pack from the outside in. So first I'm gonna start with the mommy pocket here. And you guys, that's my favorite thing about Jujube, the mommy pocket. I love a spot just for myself, and the organization is great with the Jujube mommy pockets. So first I'm gonna put in my glasses into the sunglasses case, and in this back zippered pocket here, I'm going to put hand sanitizer and some travel Tylenol, which is mainly for my husband. And then next to that is this slip pocket, and I'm going to put 2 of my lip products, a chapstick and a lippy. And then in this front part, there is also another slip pocket. And in there, I will keep a snack for myself, just in case I get hungry while running around. Oh, and cannot forget my wallet, and I will just throw that into the main compartment there. I don't have passports or anything like that because my husband likes to be in charge of that. He likes all of the paperwork and things, so he has that. And in this text pocket, I will keep my phone in there. It's not in there right now. And I love that it's felt lined, so I don't feel like it's gonna get scratched. Now there are 2 outside pockets, and I'm gonna put a Munchkin 360 in one of them. It's empty, and I will fill that up after we pass security, and I will put a water bottle that I get after I cross security as well. Now onto the back, this is where the memory foam changing pad is. I'm not using that or bringing it, so instead what I like to put in there is a coloring book for my daughter. I think that fits in there super nicely. Very nice, and this doesn't bother my back at all when it's in there. And now let's start packing up the inside of the bag. Gosh, you guys, this bag, this print is gorgeous. Very beautiful. I love that it opens all the way around. It's double zippered, and the way it opens up, you can see everything inside. Very nice about the Jujube BFF. So I'm actually going to start with this front side. There's a long zippered pocket, and in there I like to keep my daughter's change of clothes. So here are our leggings. Go in there. And then a long sleeve shirt. I'm gonna zip that up so you guys can see. It's really nice, very sleek, nicely tucked away. And in here, I will either keep boogie wipes, and I'm gonna put tissues in there. They're not in need of boogie wipes right now, so I'm not gonna pack that, but that is where I like to keep tissues. And this bag, you guys, has so much organization. You saw what I just packed here in the front side of the bag, and there's 2 side pockets, 2 slip pockets in the back, and behind that there are zipper pockets. So much organization. I don't feel like I need to use pouches with this bag, so I'm actually not going to. I'm gonna start with the back here, and back there I'm gonna put 2 little notepads just in case they want to doodle. It's in there. And I'm also going to put twistable crayons. Fits nicely there. And I'm gonna put that up. And beside that, next to that, in this pocket, I'm actually gonna pack some utensils. Just in case I'm gonna need that, that will go back there. And in these pockets right here, I'm gonna put diapers. I'm gonna see how much I can fit. I use the Huggies pull-ups. These are the 2T, 3T size. Two in there. Gonna keep stuffing them up. I go one by one. It's easier for me to slide them in one by one than instead of grabbing like a handful and trying to shove it in there. And let's see if I can squeeze one more. I have 4 in there right now. Yep. So I have 5 pull-ups in there. And I will also put 5 more on the other side. It's, again, a 13-hour flight. I'm not really sure how much I'm gonna need. I don't even know if there will be any delays, things like that. So definitely want to be prepared. There we go. Let's see if I can squeeze one more, the 5th, to make 10. And there we go. My goodness, lots of diapers. And I'm gonna bring a Huggies Clutch and Clean. You guys did not notice that. We got Minnie Mouse on the wipes case, Minnie Mouse pull-ups, super adorable. And I'm gonna put that on the side. Fits nicely. Hi. Hello. Okay, as I was saying, on this side pocket, I'm gonna put some little blocks to play with. And also, I'm probably gonna put in these little baggies. Actually, no, that won't fit. I'm gonna slide that in there. Keep the little baggies right there. And then all I'm left with is the main compartment. Love the Jujube BFF, you guys. It holds so much stuff, and I can still put more. So in the center there, I'm actually going to put another toy, this little tablet. She's learning her ABC, so she likes to definitely play with this one. That goes in the center there. And I'm gonna put a blanket in there as well. There. And then, last thing, a large set piece by Jujube as well. And in here are all of the snacks, stuffed full of snacks, just in case, of course, especially for such a long flight. And that's just gonna be thrown on top because I don't know why, snacks are like the #1 thing that is needed the most. She'll always ask me for that. So on top, so I can open it up and get it out really quickly. So that's it, you guys. That is definitely how I pack my Jujube BFF for air travel. Now, Jujube offers so many different style bags, and I didn't know which bag to go with, but ultimately I chose the Jujube BFF for the size. It's not too big, not too small. The Jujube Be Right Back would have been just a little bit too big for me. And also the shape. I love this shape. It's a little bit shorter down, and it fits beautifully underneath the seat in front of you. So I like having that there fitted really nicely. And also with the way that it opens, you guys, you know, to put this beneath the seat and have it open up to where you can see, you know, everything inside is really useful. So I highly recommend the Jujube BFF for air travel. It's great. It's wonderful, and it was super easy to use. And yes, it is packed full, but it didn't hurt my back at all. It wasn't uncomfortable. It's really great. It was a really great thing to have with me during this flight. It made things a lot easier. So I hope you guys enjoyed my packing video and what I took with me on my flight. I hope you found it helpful and saw how much the Jujube could pack. I will see you guys in the next video. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.